What's cracking, everybody? We're here for another unboxing. The date is February 8th. I purchased these. Damn. Maybe a couple months ago, maybe a month and a half. I ordered it. I ordered them for my lady. They got here as far as Monterey, and for some reason they got recalled. The shipping label or something happened where they said, hey, you know what, as it was in Monterey leaving, they said, hey, you know what, so we got to get this package back. I called and they said the reason was could have been the wrong size, it could have been the wrong thing, wrong everything, and they offered a refund. I was like, man, I don't really want the refund, I want the shoes. First pair of shoes I'm buying the woman. But yeah. So this is the first pair. And the shirt, justice for Vanessa Guillen, man. It was a horrible events. I'm saying it. Yeah. Oh, but the box again, like I said, you can't be too discreet, with anybody when the box says just do it on it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's get to it. Oh, and today is okay. You get your air with one air missing, 3 airs, whatever. Ooh, the box looks pimpy though. Check that out. The box looks pimpy. Where is it? Okay. We have the women's Air Jordan 4 Retro SE Black Starfish. Oh, yeah, let me get to the camera, my bad. So you guys can see all that. Okay. Gotta get some, we have the white paper with the 23 on it. This is what it is. About damn time they got here, man. But that was the backstory on that. It took like 2 months for me to get them. It's the first pair I bought her, so I wanted to, you know what I'm saying? I didn't want the money back. I wanted the shoe. You know what I'm saying? The shoe is what counted at the time. You can see on the tip. I'll be posting pictures closer as I'm explaining it, like I do. I also do photography, so I got that nice Sony A7 III that's able to take good pictures. I got a 50mm macro lens, which is able to get the close-up shots, which you see the real close-up shots. Shout out to Sony for that A7 III. But I'm liking this shoe. You can see like I was saying, you can see little stars, Jumpman logo, the flight in the front, Air Jordan upside down, Jumpman logo inside, black. Yeah, I'm liking this one as well, man. We're definitely gonna keep these because, like I said, it's the first pair that I was able to get her. So, not the last. Trust, I just bought my son a pair of Jordans. My daughter's got LeBrons. I bought a bunch of like sweats and shit off the Nike at the Nike spot, and yeah, man, we finally got them. Hell yeah, I'm with it. And again, salute them all. One final look. You got any comments? Like, subscribe. Let me know what you think. You feeling the content? You're not feeling the content? Should I do this? Should I do that? I'm new to the page, new to the sneaker world. You know, like I said, I wasn't too blessed with cash growing up, so I had to get, my brother's hand-me-downs and whatnot. So I'm just barely venturing into buying the sneakers and becoming a collector. I've collected other stuff before, but damn, it's a trip. It's like going back to memory lane when you're buying certain shoes. Or I was even watching old Nike commercials, and I remember being a kid, and I remember seeing Spike Lee in the Jordan commercials, and man, those were memorable. I remember that. I'm seeing those. I'm going back down memory lane, like, damn, man, I wanted that shoe. That was bad. I wanted that shoe. One shoe I did get though was the Reebok Pump Up one, the little basketball-looking thing, and you pumped it up. Yeah, I did get those though, and I thought I was the shit when I did go to school. I was actually. It was cool. But that's what it is. Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro Starfish. I just got the Starfish. Did I do an unboxing on that? I don't know if I did the unboxing on the Starfish. On 13 Starfish. If not, I can do a review on it. I got a few other ones I would like to do a review on that I got. But yeah. Manny Slugs, a.k.a. Manny the Mexican, a.k.a. too lazy to work, but simultaneously taking your jobs. Let's get it in.